Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Physics 121 session on finding unit vectors. My name is Nathan Martin, and I work for the tutoring centers at ASU. So this problem, we're asked to find the unit vector in the direction of the following vector, and it's given 2 in the x and 1 in the y direction. So before we kind of get started on actually doing this, I kind of want to point out the importance of a unit vector. So a unit vector, so it has a magnitude of 1, So what this essentially means is unit vectors are extremely important for determining a position of something, or not the position, so to say, the direction that something is going in. So say I throw a ball in the air or something. So a unit vector would give me the direction that this ball is heading at any given kind of moment, right? So it's important for, it tells us, right? It tells us direction. So it's very important. And also, if we know the direction of something, we can find the actual vector by simply just multiplying by the magnitude, right? So if you're given the direction, all you have to do, right? If you say it's 10 units away. If I know the direction, all I have to do is literally just multiply it by 10, right? So now let's calculate a unit vector. Okay. So in order to calculate a unit vector, all you do is just divide each component by its magnitude. So we divide components by its magnitude. So what's the magnitude of that vector? I'm going to call this vector A. So the magnitude of vector A, you just use the Pythagorean theorem, right? So it'd be the square root of 2 squared plus 1 squared, which is the square root of 4 plus 1, which equals the square root of 5. So that is the magnitude of that vector A, right? Now, if I want to find the unit vector, so I'm going to label it U. So the unit vector is just those components, so 2, 1, except we're going to divide by the magnitude, which in our case is square root of 5. So that is all you have to do to find a unit vector. Now, if we wanted to check ourselves to make sure that this is correct, if you calculate the magnitude of this unit vector, it should equal 1, right? By definition, right? By definition, the magnitude of a unit vector should be 1. So if we just quickly do that, the magnitude of the unit vector, so 2 over square root of 5 squared plus 1 over square root of 5 squared, right? So this, I'm going to take out that 5, right? So the square root of 5 squared, that's 5. So I'm going to factor that out. So that's a 1/5. And then I'm left with that same stuff we had before. 4 plus 1, right? 2 squared is 4, 1 squared is 1. And if I finish solving that, I get the square root of 5 over 5. Oops, 5 over 5, which is in fact 1. Which means that that unit vector we just found, 2 over the square root of 5, 1 over the square root of 5, is in fact a unit vector. Awesome. So with that aside, if you want more information on tutoring, such as our hours of operation, more information on review sessions and whatnot, go to our link right here at tutoring.asu.edu. And then if you want more videos, such as the one you're watching now, go to this link, tutoring.asu.edu/student-services/reviews. Awesome. Thank you all, and we'll see you next time.